Hi friends, today I got my new phone with the Galaxy M21. Let's unboxing and do that. Okay, first of all we got a phone in blue color. Then we got a charging cable. Go. Got adapter. Look at the adapter. It's a Samsung. Okay. We got a paper, SIM ejector tool. Okay, and now we have a, my god, it don't have a CPU case or cover. User manual, we don't need to. Okay, let's check out the phone. Wow, it's a blue color. Quickly unboxing it. Look at the color of phone. Just like wow. Okay, let's reboot it. Wow. Done. The Samsung Galaxy M21.